VEV Shilajit Gummies Review. Does it have benefits, ingredients, and effectiveness explained? So, what it claims is what the product does well is for the flavor and ease of use. The gummies are mixed with berry flavored, so you don't taste a strong Shilajit flavor. It also has a 1 per day dosage with 90-day supplement, and even a supply, according to VEV. It also has some purity testing, which say the product is lab tested by third parties for heavy metals and microorganisms. It also has additional ingredients for the men version and some other versions, and it's vegan and no artificial additives added on the product as well. The downside is the ingredient details and potency. The exact amount of key actives are not very transparent. The results may vary and come slowly as well, so you need to be consistent and also do some workouts. You need to have a general supplement and also has some risks as well. And the effect has some problems compared to the expectations. And the cost as well could be more expensive depending on your benefit. So overall, is it worth it? Well, it's worth it if your goals are gentle support, improved daily energy, some mental clarity, milestone support, and then if you want strong effects, and even with most, always good to check with a doctor.